Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I'll show you my overall garden preparation in the terrace. You can see there are more than 2000 pots of chrysanthemum, and that too different varieties, maybe pom-pom or giant variety. Some are Pune variety, some are Desi variety, indigenous variety. And in some of the pots, birds are already appearing, and you can see in small pots more than 100 birds are here. If the plants is in 8-inch pot, you can see more than 500 birds or 500 flowers you can see. And in the shade area, you can see all my seedlings, at least 12 or 15 varieties of flowering seedlings I can show you. This is Salvia, and Salvia, the plants attain around 4-inch height, and they will be transplanted soon in 5-inch pot, or some will transplant in garden area. They look excellent in garden, and they will flower up to March and April. You can get flowers from Calendula, and far behind you can see thousands of chrysanthemum plants. Now again I come to, this is the Aster. They are all grown from Benari seeds, and Benari seeds are very nice. They look nice. 8 to 10 color options are here. This is Celosia. Celosia are also in different colors. 8 to 10 color options are here, and you can see identify with the colors in leaf color and the stem color. You can identify different colors of this Celosia or coxcomb. They also look nice, very in bed. And this is the best of winter season Petunia. And all we have around more than 15 varieties of Petunia, all grown from some branded seeds, maybe Pan American seeds or Sakata seeds or Benari seeds, and different all kinds of petunias will grow in garden, in pots or hanging baskets, in all there. And this is Antirrhinum. They also look very nice. They are dog flower, and these are dwarf variety. If you pinch it off time to time, you can get 8 at least 8 to 10 sticks you can see here. And here the Dianthus are very small plants, and they look beautiful flowers, and you can get flowers up to May and June. And Impatience you must grow in your garden, because if you want more than 50 flowers every day in this, Impatience are the best, more than that all petunias also. So this Impatience you can grow from cuttings or from seeds also. They look excellent maybe in garden area or in pots also. These are French marigold. I have lots of French marigold. We make a big so all beds of French marigold. And here are the Inca marigold. Incas also look very nice. You can grow in pots or in garden also. We grow both in pots and in garden. I have uploaded some video how to maintain it also. Here are some second generation of Petunia, and this is all this garden, and behind you can see lots of plants. And here some seedlings are raising. We are scenario area you must grow. If you don't get much sunlight, then you must grow scenario area in your garden. They look excellent, and you can see some plants are to be transplanted very soon. In 15 days time we will transplant in 3-inch pot. And you can see some of the pansies are also here. Pansies also look very nice. They are butterfly kind of flower. I'll show you. This is the pansy. You can see also look excellent. This is cineraria, and you must grow cineraria also. If you want to grow in pots, they will excellent. Already 10 to 12 color options. And here are some chrysanthemum plants, all my garden, and look very nice, excellent, vibrant colors. And there is no attack of fungus or insects you can see in the plants, and vigorous plants growth of in chrysanthemum. And I'll show you the next portion of my garden here. These all my seasonal plants seedlings are grown under shade, because they should be protected from sun and some rains also. So I have grown them inside the shade, but all these chrysanthemum are outside in open area. Here some marigold, they have started flowering. And I'll show you some other portion of my garden also. Here you can see some of the seedlings we are arranging. French marigold, all are red in color, because we will make some of the red bed of this French marigold. If you make a red bed of this French marigold, they look excellent. So no one can compare it with other flower. If you grow it in every plant, you can get 40 to 50 flowers at a time. So here are some all my plants here, and in the side area you can see some chrysanthemum here, aparajita or blue pea also blooming. More than 100 flowers are there in my blue pea. And behind you can see adenium, lots of rosy adeniums are here, and they look excellent. And in the winter season they go to some of this some residual area, but now I am showing you some of the flowers. So hope